Hey there, I'm Kathy from Fabulously Frugal, and I recently got an air fryer and we've fallen in love with it. So today I've got 3 recipes I'm gonna show you that are so easy to make. We are making them all the time. Let's go. So today I've got some frozen big ol' steak fries. This is a 4-quart or 3-pound capacity in the Philips air fryer basket here. So I'm just gonna throw some fries in here. There, we're loaded up. That should be plenty of fries for the kids to snack on. And what I like to do is cook it a little bit lower at first, and then at the end I spray some oil and crank up the heat to crisp it up. So manual, I'm doing 350 for 12 minutes. I'm gonna take a peek at it and give it a shake halfway through. So let's go. Been about halfway through actually, a little more. I'm gonna just pause it. It's the beauty of the Philips. And I can definitely smell them. They're definitely warming up. You can shake it. Sometimes I like to use tongs. That's kind of why I like doing the fries instead of the oven, is because it's just so much easier to manage the fries. Because you know when you have it on the big sheet pan and it tells you to flip the fries, it's so annoying to have a big old pan of fries. It's just nice and easy to shake that basket up. So love making the fries in here. Let's give it 5 more minutes, see where it's at, and then I'll probably crank up the heat. Just a couple seconds left here. We're gonna check it out, and I think it's ready. About time to throw some oil on here. Love that little chime. So you can see they're definitely, obviously, very hot. So just give it another shake. Bounce that around. It's actually probably a good idea to shake it over your sink or somewhere you don't care about. Now I'm gonna just give it a little spray here. It's olive oil. I probably prefer avocado oil, but apparently I don't have any right now. That's okay. This works. And I'm also gonna just shake this. Shake a little salt on there. No big deal. This thing cleans up so easily. Now I'm gonna just crank up the heat. Let's go up to 400 and let's try for 5 more minutes. I'll give it a peek halfway through. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we're about 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes left here of my kicking up the heat. I'm gonna just pause it real quick, take a look. Starting to get a little brown, more brown. And I might just give it another squirt of spray, because we like it nice and toasty. While I've been having this cook, I've made some fry sauce. Have you had fry sauce? I will give the recipe below, so check that out. Super yummy fry sauce. If you're not from Idaho or Utah, you might not know what fry sauce is. It's time to introduce this into your life. Just saying. What I love about the Philips air fryer is that it has a keep warm option. So it'll keep your food warm for like up to 30 minutes. So totally an optional thing. I'm not gonna need it right now because I've got a bunch of hungry kids waiting for these fries upstairs. So I always just like to dump them right here in a bowl. And if for some reason they don't get eaten up right away, I love having the air fryer out to just reheat the fries right there in the air fryer. How about that? Nice and toasty, totally restaurant quality fries. Okay, up next, grilled cheese Sandos in the air fryer. Now, I do have a tip. You want to kind of have a thicker, heavier, moister type of bread. This is what I'm using, Grandma Sycamore's. I don't know, you might have something similar wherever you live. So it's just a typical thing. Do your favorite kind of cheese. I'm just doing some shredded cheese. It's a little nasty in the air fryer, but really the air fryer cleans up so quickly, so it's not too bad. I've got some soft butter in here. Just gonna butter up the bread, throw them here in the air fryer. Ready? Let's go. You're gonna love how crispy these get. So, close that up. I'm gonna hit it back down to 325. And let's go for about 5 minutes. Easily, quickly peek in on your cooking and see how it goes. So we're gonna start with 5 minutes and go from there. Okay, while I wait for my grilled cheese, I'm gonna test out some of these fries. Have you tried fry sauce? Check it out, it's so good. It's just nice, tangy, zappy, super good. Let's try it out. So, good old steak fries right here. Alrighty, grilled cheese. What we can see here is it's hot, it's melted, it's buttery, so I could stop here or I could give it another little whirl just for a smidgy more toasting. Let's go up to 400 for 1 minute. There we go. Okay, let's take a peek here. These are nice. These are good. Give this one another minute. Crunch. Okay, we give it 1 extra minute. So I didn't necessarily brown it that much more. Nice, crispy, cheesy, crunchy, and then like perfect for dipping in tomato soup. So, so, so good. Okay, kids came and devoured all the food. I have this left. They said that the fry sauce was amazing with the grilled cheese. Very good. Very good. Last but not least, bacon. And I've got a trick to help you so your whole kitchen doesn't smoke up and fire alarms go off while you're cooking bacon in the air fryer. Ready? Let's go. So here's the trick. At the base of your air fryer, you want to throw some bread. Okay, so then just get your bacon and load it up in the air fryer. You'll probably have to cut it in half, but that's no biggie. It's bacon, right? Just fit it in there nicely. It's okay if it has a little bit of overlap. Kind of make it fit like a puzzle. And here we go. There we go. Got the bacon in. Power, 350. Start for 12 minutes and we will peek at it halfway through. We're 6 minutes in. I'm just gonna pause here. Check out the bacon. Definitely greasing up. You can see my bread down there is nice and toasty, but it's catching the grease, doing its job. Finish cooking this up. We are 10 minutes in, we got 2 minutes left. I'm just gonna take a peek and see, wow, okay, yep, these are done. So 10 minutes at 350, got them nice and crispy, but there was a little smoke coming out of my vent here, but not that much. Final test on the bacon. Some look a little crispier than others. They're just right amount of crunchy, just the right amount of juicy, delicious bacon. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.